Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to create a shortcut from a Windows 10 program or app. So here in the left side with this window thing, you can either hit the window key or just click here, and then you have all these programs and you can create shortcuts for programs here. So you can right click here and then you have this more, and then we can open file location. It's not possible directly, so we are now here and we right click on the blue thing. So the blue thing is usually the program. We right click on that and we can go down and create shortcut. Usually Windows will tell it's not possible here, but you can create shortcut placed on the desktop instead. There's just one problem: it's a little bit difficult to find. I mean, it will be somewhere, so usually it's a little bit difficult to find depending on the size of the desktop you have. So I have it here placed. It's a little bit random as it looks for me. So what's the better opportunity is to make this as a Windows and not full screen, and then right click and hold the right click and then move the mouse while holding right clicked, and now release the right click thing and then create shortcut here, and then it's really here and not just somewhere. And if we know the name of the program, we can easier find it, like we hit the Windows key and then start typing like WinMerge, the program which we have here. And so it's not in the whole list, but just directly here. We can do same thing from here, as we can open file location, same thing, and do the same things here. So we have two possibilities, either directly or from the whole program list here. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, just let me know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.